Hey there, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. That's where you can find me on social media. This is the September Ipsy Glam Bag, September 2020 that is. Good vibes. This month, radiate positivity from trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace this season of change with an "I got this" attitude, the results will be out of sight. This just looks like a fun bag, and I'm going to tell you why when we get into the products right now. Okay, so Ipsy September 2020. Here's why it's cool. It's like this corduroy bag that's like two different colors. It's so fun and fallish. And here's also, Ipsy listened. They gave us back our product guide. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. It was upside down. I was so excited. I had it upside down. Oh my gosh. Love it. Okay. You just want to see what's in the bag though. Okay, let's dig around in here. First, it's Tarte Cosmetics. The Professional, it's the hydrating primer, which is different than the regular primer. So it's supposed to be even more hydrating. Oh, it says that you can just put it everywhere on your face, which I do anywhere. And it has shea butter and hyaluronic acid, which I know I pronounced it wrong because I can't pronounce it. It's like the one word that I cannot pronounce correctly. C'est la vie. Then we have Doucce. I don't speak Italian. Frematic blush. It's in Daydream. Let's just blush it up here. There we go. Blushy, blushy. Yay. Then Tarte mascara in Big Ego in black. We're not going to open it because that puts the timer on it. And by the timer, I mean you should replace your mascara every like 3 months. Then we have PYT Beauty Day to Night eyeshadow. It is, oh, and it even says now and later. So the nows should be the coffee run and the day trip. The laters is happy hour and 2:02 a.m. But hey, I'm feeling now. So let's see what we can do with the now. Right now. Got a mirror here because I can't do this into the camera. I just suck at it. It's just what it is. Let's take a little bit of the day trip. Okay, that's nice. And then we'll do a little bit of the coffee run. Very neutral shades. Oh, I like this. They're very matte. At least these two are. The laters are not. They're more shimmery. You know what? Let's just throw a little bit of the shimmer in the crease. There we go. That's fun. These, like, here's a little trick I do. I take a little bit of glue and I put them in the top there so that you know which is which. And then they stick. That way, if you need to order them later as singles, when it runs out, you know which one it is, if it's still available. Or you can kind of color match as well. Then finally, we have Item Beauty Cheek Money in Vibes. So it is a contour powder that I cannot get open. Okay, contour powder. Get that contour right. Let's blow it out a little bit. I don't like harsh contour lines. There we go. So that is the Ipsy September bag. Do you know what? You know where to follow me. All those places. And if you're watching on YouTube, like, subscribe in one of these corners. And until next time, stay beautiful.